Sergio, tell me more about the collaboration project you're going to prepare.
Hi, well, my name is Sergio, and I'm going to make a global project with Jennifer Uld, with Joe Savoy, and also with another Spanish teacher, Curro. And we are making a collaboration between 3 schools, 2 in the States and 1 in Canada, and another university in Spain that I work, La Salle University. They are going to mentoring all the process with the children. So the thing that we are going to do is a living art project with augmented reality. Our aim is going to see one painter, and this painting with augmented reality we are going to change for living art. So this project is very interesting because they are going to make a project research with technology. We are going to be the schools of USA and School of Canada and the University of Spain, as I told you. First, they're going to do a research and a video, then paste it with augmented reality technology, and then make an exhibition in the 4 centers at the same time. So, for example, if they are going to make the Gioconda painting, there are going to be 2 students from each school and 2 mentors of Spain. We are communicating with Twitter, mail, Skype, and another application that we make.
Thank you.
You're welcome.